Hi everyone. Welcome to Afifa Cuisine. Today we'll make creamy pasta. Ingredients display. The camera captures a well-organized countertop with all the necessary ingredients for the dish. Here's what you need. 200 g pasta, 2 tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon chili flakes, 2 tablespoons grated cheese, and fresh basil for garnish. The vibrant colors promise a delicious meal ahead. Boiling water. Afifa fills a stainless steel pot with water and gracefully places it on the stove. Fill a pot with water, add 1 teaspoon salt, and bring it to a boil, she instructs, imparting her kitchen wisdom. Adding pasta. As the water boils exuberantly, she introduces 200 grams of pasta into the pot. Add 200 grams of pasta and cook until tender, about 8 to 10 minutes. The process seems simple yet essential. Stirring pasta. With a wooden spoon in hand, Afifa gently stirs the bubbling mixture, ensuring each piece of pasta dances freely. Stir occasionally so the pasta doesn't stick together, she advises. Preparing sauce. While the pasta happily cooks, Afifa's nimble fingers chop 2 red tomatoes and 2 aromatic garlic cloves. While the pasta cooks, chop 2 fresh tomatoes and 2 garlic cloves for the sauce. Her voice remains guiding and clear. Cooking sauce. In a skillet, the aroma of sautéing garlic fills the air as Afifa adds olive oil. Sauté garlic in olive oil, then add tomatoes to make a flavorful sauce, she explains, a soft sizzle accompanying her words. Seasoning. With precision, she seasons the simmering sauce, adding a pinch of salt, pepper, chili flakes, and fresh herbs. Season the sauce with salt, pepper, chili flakes, and your favorite herbs, Afifa instructs while the sauce thickens. Pasta ready. Afifa carefully drains the pasta using a colander, the steam rising in an elegant cloud. Once pasta is cooked, drain it and prepare to mix with the sauce. She anticipates the fusion of flavors. Mixing pasta and sauce. The cooked pasta slides into the saucepan, and with gentle care, she stirs it into the rich tomato sauce. Combine pasta with sauce, stirring gently to coat every piece. Cooperation of each component is key. Adding cheese. A flourish of grated cheese follows next, as Afifa sprinkles it generously. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of cheese on top for extra flavor. The cheese promises an indulgent touch to the dish. Plating. With the eye of an artist, Afifa lays the creamy pasta beautifully onto a plate. Plate your pasta beautifully for a perfect presentation. Her technique, both precise and creative. Garnishing. Fresh basil leaves descend gently, as if by magic, perfectly accenting the pasta. Add fresh basil for garnish to make it look amazing, she smiles, appreciating the aesthetic. Taste test. A forkful of pasta unfolds the moment of truth. Time to taste. Absolutely delicious. Afifa's expression is pure delight and satisfaction. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for cooking with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Afifa Cuisine for more yummy recipes.